Okay, we're back at Fleet, and we're gonna get the right bolts. But you know what happened? I didn't grab the other one, so we're gonna guess again. Here we go. Okay, kids, we got bolts. Today's video is gonna be a bit weirder than usual because we have a bunch of running around to do, and we got to get ready for the show, and got to pick up a trailer, and we got something super cool that we're gonna bring you on. We won't tell you till later, though. The other cool thing that happened. That's right. That's good.
I want to bathe in this.
That doesn't make sense because you wouldn't be drinking it. Anyway, we're off to go get the trailer. We're not going to show you that mess. I just know that we're going to get it. And then we're going to go and we're going to get ready for that super awesome thing that we are so happy to do. We had to reschedule it from the other day because it didn't work, but it didn't work for where we're going. But we are definitely going to bring you along, and it's going to be super great. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, so we got the trailer. Told you we would. Oh, there was a hole there. God, who am I going to talk to about suing? Oh wait, this is my house. So yeah, we're actually, excuse the wind, it's very windy up here today. We're actually using like a side-by-side utility trailer because that roadster weight's next to nothing. But this is how we're going to be rolling out tomorrow. Oh, not tomorrow, Saturday. I don't even know what day it is. But anyway, pretty exciting. We're going to bring that thing up there, and it's going to be awesome. It's supposed to be like 89. There's cars coming from everywhere, I guess. So, hang out. We'll see you in a bit. All right, so we told you this one has a date with us today. We're going to leave here in about an hour. We got this one ready to get back underneath there. I hope I don't have to get another pan. But, you know, that wouldn't be great if I did. Anyway, Clyde, we could drive it, but that stumble really got me wondering if I need to, you know, change that cap or something too. Anyway, that's what we got going on here. Yep, the other one's still up front because it's easier to get it out of there to put it up on the trailer for when we're going to be doing it. So we'll get you in when we're ready to go. Okay, so we are on our way to do that super cool thing with our Bonnie here. The only thing is we can't record while we're there, but what we're doing is we're actually going to a memory care facility. The activity director and I talked, and she was hoping that somebody could bring an old car or two, and I said, well, I got one, and we were hoping to bring more than one, but let's face it, Clyde's a drama queen. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in this pile of junk here. We're going to drive over there and hopefully make some people smile. That's really all what we're going to do, and we're hoping that we can get at least a picture with everybody. If not, well, we'll tell you how it goes after we're all done. We'll see you after a bit. Well, we're here. I'm just going to let them know, and we'll let you know how it goes afterwards. This is a nice little place back here. All right. We decided to go down a dirt road, so Bonnie's even worse than she was before. But this is cool. All right, so you can kind of see where we're at. See you after a bit. All right, kids, we went to the memory care unit, and those ladies were so awesome. I'm so glad we did it. We're actually going to go back as many times as they want us to, because it was just a blast. Those ladies asked us the same questions 15 times, and we were more than happy to answer them every time.
Yep.
One lady was just about as old as Bonnie here, so that was actually really neat. So what we're doing now is we stopped and picked up some groceries because we got the hot rod out. Why not do something, you know, lame, but make it cool?
Yeah.
Peyton, what did you think of that thing we did?
That was awesome. Like, I can't put it into words of how happy I am.
Yeah. And by the way, we let every lady who wanted to get in this car get in it. They touched it, they looked at it, they did everything. And you know what? It was perfect.
Yep.
And remember, it's just a thing.
Yep.
But I'll tell you what, every one of those ladies was so awesome. They thanked us so many times for coming. And we told them that we'll be coming back. Maybe we'll have another car that works. So we're going to head home. See ya. All right, guys. If you can see all those handprints, there's all those awesome ladies. They touched the car. We drove down a dirt road. It's our fault for being so dirty, but you know what? They loved it. We couldn't get any pictures. A bunch of them did sit in the car, and it was so great to see the smile on their faces and stuff. But anyway, remember what I've told you. It's just a thing. Just a thing. I'm so glad that Peyton and I went, and I'll be so glad when we do it again. Well, I think we're going to cut the video off here today. Peyton's actually doing her chores. Weird. So, yeah, everybody go buy a lottery ticket because today's your day. Anyway, we had such a good time with those ladies at the facility there, and we didn't think we could top that today. So we are going to be, of course, doing the last minute things for the show because because we have to get the car bolted down and some other things and get it loaded up. So hope you guys enjoyed our not doing anything video, but and if not, well, hit the thing anyway. We appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day.